Hi, in this video I'm gonna explain what is an API in the simplest way with real life and also programming examples. So I'm sure that after watching this video you'll have a full understanding of what is an API. So let's get started. Okay, so what is an API? API stands for Application Programming Interface. APIs allow programs to talk with each other, or in other words, it's a way for programs and applications to simply ask each other their needs and get them. For an example in programming, imagine you're building an online taxi app. In a part of your application, you need to get the user city's weather to raise the price if the weather is rainy or snowy. For that, you probably don't want to create and deploy your own satellites, analyze the data, and finally predict the weather by your own. Instead, you can simply use the other providers' programs and use their hard work to simplify your own program. You just need to use their API and request for the weather status from the database. Or another common example that we face frequently, when we want to sign up to a website or an app, usually there is an option of signing up with a Google account. So here the web developer used the Google API to get your data and made the sign up section fast and easy for both developing and signing up. Or as another example, imagine you're going to a restaurant. Well, instead of going to the kitchen and ask for the food you want, you simply sit at the table, call the server, then you tell him the food you want. The server goes to the kitchen and tells the chef your choice and get the food when it's ready. Then transfer the food to your table and you can enjoy your food without doing anything of these. So in this example, the server is a connection between you and the kitchen, which transfers your demand and gets you what you need. Okay, so in conclusion, an API is a way to transfer your request to the database and get your results. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.